Laser rust removal is a process that uses high-powered lasers to remove rust and corrosion from metal surfaces. It offers several advantages over traditional methods of rust removal, including precision. Laser systems can be precisely controlled to target only the rusted areas, leaving the underlying metal intact. This precision minimizes the risk of damage to the substrate. Efficiency. Laser rust removal is a fast and efficient process. It can quickly remove rust from large areas, increasing productivity. Non-destructive. Unlike abrasive methods like sandblasting or grinding, laser rust removal is non-destructive. It doesn't alter the shape or integrity of the metal. No chemicals. It eliminates the need for harsh chemicals or abrasive materials, making it environmentally friendly and reducing hazardous waste. Safety. Laser systems can be operated remotely, reducing the risk to the operator. They also offer precise control, minimizing the chances of accidents. Minimal cleanup. Since there are no abrasive materials or chemicals involved, there is minimal cleanup required after the process is complete. Since 1993, Huayin Company has been dedicated to the research and manufacturing of advanced renewable energy equipment. We continually refine our production processes to provide you with high-quality products. Please feel free to contact us anytime.